Hello everybody, my name is Quick Dash and I'm here with Bob the Mom. Say hi, Bob the Mom.
Hi.
And today we're eating cereal. Show it.
What?
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded.
So let's get into it. No, it's not working. Okay.
I need to do it.
You do it.
Okay, that's better than last time.
I can kind of see this. Wait, no, yeah. It's so hard. I'm afraid that I'm gonna eat a piece of the towel. Okay.
I'll tell you when it gets into a minute and 50 seconds. A minute already passed. That was quick.
Okay. I'm so hungry.
Should you get like a napkin to wipe your face?
At the end, and I'll show them.
I can't get the napkins.
Okay. Whoa! Well, I'm gonna go get a napkin, so. Okay.
You can end it.
That was a hard challenge.
There's still cereal left, but you can't
I'm
make
gonna
the
nominate 2 people to do this challenge. 1 Sonic Dude, 1 Bob the Mom 101.
Alright, do it at least.
So, bye.